I'd like to give you some impressions after the Holy Mass, how it's going to be here, how is the atmosphere at the Youth Festival, Mladifest 2022. And look at this. People talk, they have a good time, it's still warm. That's the advantage of the heat during the day. In the evening it's not cold, it's just very, very nice, the temperature. And you can see people talk and having a good time together, exchanging. We are coming soon again in the light, you will see more. And I will go and have an ice cream. That's my favorite ice cream place where the ice cream is handmade here in Medjugorje. It's a nice family. And we are going through the passage. You see tons of people, so it will take some time.
Ja, tam nie da się przejść, popatrzcie, tą ścieżką. Bo tu będzie kocioł.
La fiesta también espera un poco a su rollo en el arte, pero ahora tenemos menos voz. Es verdad que hay menos. Tenemos que preparar su base. Ahora la planta segunda está casi 24. Ahora si te fijas, el único que se encabronó fue... Wait to see it follows. Yeah.
How are you doing? You see, people are very happy here in Medjugorje. This is my favorite ice cream place. I wonder, I have to wait a long time to get my ice cream, but I will get there. But let's go a bit further on that you get an impression more. I hope you like this little walking tour here in Medjugorje. You see the place is full and full of pilgrims. It's Mladifest here in Medjugorje, Youth Festival. And as you can see, tons of people on the street going home or to Apparition Hill, cross mountain, up the hill. Getting something to eat. And you sometimes, if you see some deconcentration running around, deconcentrated means it was so hot and people are exhausted by the sun. First of all, sometimes I ask, my God, how are the people reacting here? And it's because, like I saw it myself, when you are in the sun, you are just exhausted at the end of the day and not concentrated anymore. And here is my favorite ice cream place. Let's see. Oh, they are all working very hard here. Never seen the place like this.
Io gosto, gente.